Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I was dying to try out some of the new gel bottle colours, so I came up with this look today. So if you're interested on how I created these, then you know what to do. So colour wise, this was my inspiration today. This is just one of my backgrounds that I use, and it's a glittery piece of fabric, and I've got so many colours in this type of fabric. And I just loved the way that this glistened in the light, so I really wanted to create something that looked something like this. So as I mentioned, I'm using a couple of the new colours from the Gel Bottle Ink Spring collection. I'm using Miami, which is the pink, and Palace, which is the purpley blue, and I'm also using the rubber top coat and their extreme shine top coat. So for the glitter nails, I'm using the Pixel Effects from Indigo, and Kate, if you're watching, you know you made me buy these. So I'll go through the colours. I haven't swatched any of these, so if anyone wants a swatch video or put them on my Instagram or something, then just let me know in the comments. So this is the neon pink, a really bright pink. And then this is the neon violet, and this is so pretty. It's got like golden undertones running through there. So for the next few, I did have to adjust my lighting slightly so you can see the colour. And this is called Emerald Black, and it does say to apply over black, but I think it looks really nice over any colour, to be honest. But hopefully you can see the green and the pink tones in there. And then the next one is Snow White, so this is just like a white silvery glitter. And then this is the one I'm using. It's called Cinderella. It looks more blue and gold on screen, and it really does change up any colour that you put this over because it is translucent. So please excuse my nails. It's been about 3 weeks since I filled these in, so I am going to use the rubber base coat today just to protect any natural nail growth that I've got going on there. So I've applied that to all my nails and I cured that in my lamp. So the middle finger and my ring finger is going to have a gradient of both colours on. So with the other nails, I just applied a full colour in an alternating fashion. And those full colour nails are going to have striping tape on. I'm such a glutton for punishment. So I'm using the matte top coat just to give it a nice smooth surface to apply the tape to. So those matte nails have been cured, so I'm just going to do the two middle ones there with the gradient, starting with Palace at the cuticle area and then Miami on the other half of the nail. And I just use my ombre brush to blend the two together. And I wasn't too worried about the blend because the glitter is going to be going over the top. So after blending, I did just let the gel self-level slightly before curing. And then once that was cured, I'm now going in with the Extreme Shine top coat because this does cure with a non-tacky layer, so it's perfect for applying glitter. So that layer is wet, and all I did was sprinkle the Cinderella glitter over the top. And then I'm just going to do the other nail, and then you want to make sure that you do a double cure on this just to really ensure that the rays have penetrated through that glitter. So once they come out of the lamp, you can be quite vigorous with this and just really try and sweep off any excess that you can. Now you can totally leave them like this as sugared nails and they look really, really pretty like that, but I'm actually going to encapsulate them. So I'm taking the gel bottle ink rubber top coat. So this is a soak off builder gel. So it's great if you're using gel polish and you don't use hard gel, you can use this over the top of your gel polish designs. So I just apply one thin layer and initially cure it for 10 to 15 seconds. And then I go in with a second layer, and this is going to smooth everything out. And I am going to file this afterwards as well, just to make sure it's really, really smooth. Now this gel is effortless to file, it really is like butter, so I just use the gel bottle ink 180 grit buffer just to smooth it out, and then I do go in with an actual file just to refine the shape slightly. So then when you're happy with that, that can just be top coated now, and as always I like to use the Extreme Shine top coat. So this is what they look like immediately after curing, and they're really shiny and glittery and super smooth. So with hard gel I tend to encapsulate striping tape, but with gel polish I find if you use a matte top coat it does apply really easily and it's easy to seal. So I've got two sizes here, I'm using the thicker one for my thumb and the other size for the other two nails. And this is called angel paper striping tape, so it's iridescent and translucent, so over any colour it will change up, and depending on what light you're in it will just reflect all colours of the rainbow. It's really pretty. And I found using this side of the silicone tool as well really helped to smooth that out, and it just stuck really nice on the nail. And then I just trimmed it slightly short, and then I sealed with two top coats. Now I used the Extreme Shine again, and because this doesn't have a tacky layer, you want to initially cure the first layer for 10 seconds and then go in with your second layer and cure for the full time. So these are the finished nails, and they're so pretty and summery, and I've got loads more pictures on my Instagram if you wanted to go and check me out on there. And it really does look different in different lights. So in natural daylight they look really more golden and Cinderella like. They're just so pretty. So thank you so much for watching guys, I really hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.